Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. We're gonna make a quick and easy meal tonight. Mac and cheese. Baked mac and cheese in the oven. Okay, I've got my pasta cooking. I'm not using the traditional, oh, you can't see, I'm sorry. I'm not using the traditional elbow pasta because I don't have any tonight. I've got rotini, so that's what we're gonna use, rotini, which works just as good. Now what I'm gonna do is I've got 3 cups of milk added with 1 cup of cream in the pot, and we're just gonna warm that up. We're not going to make it boil because we don't want it to burn. Okay, so we're just gonna bring that to a we're gonna simmer it and let it warm up. In the meantime, in our main pan, I melted some butter. Now we're gonna add half a cup of flour, okay? And we're gonna whisk that up to thickens up, and this is gonna be the base of our cream sauce. So, half a cup of flour. I'm not that organized tonight. I don't know what happened. Nice golden color. So we're gonna add the warm milk to this. Beautiful. See? Okay, that's our base. Milk is nice and warm. Now we're gonna add the milk. Okay, and we're gonna take that off the heat. Take that off the heat. Okay. Now to this, we're going to add our salt, our black pepper, paprika, and our cheddar cheese. So, let's say about half a teaspoon, or a teaspoon actually, of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, I'm gonna whisk that up. Our pasta's nearly done. Okay. Let me take this pasta out. Okay, we're back. So now we're gonna add oh my gosh, I forgot. Another main ingredient, nutmeg. How can I forget the nutmeg? Okay, we nearly forgot the nutmeg. All I need is about a little bit more than half a teaspoon. That's plenty of nutmeg. Okay, let's see what we got going here now. Now we're gonna add, beautiful, that smells good. Now we're gonna add our cheese. Now I buy the cheddar cheese in bulk. And then I bag them in the freezer bags. And actually refreeze them. Oh, nice. Okay. I think that's gonna be plenty. I'm just gonna put this back on the heat, very, very low, just to melt it up. Okay, our pasta is ready. I put it in the pan already. Now our sauce is ready with the cheese, and we're going to pour that right over the pasta. Okay, let's mix that in a bit. All nice and gooey. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. A little bit more sauce. Make it extra gooey. This is one way to William, my son's heart. Mac and cheese. Feed him a couple of plates of mac and cheese and he'll do anything for you. Okay, now we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of parmesan. Okay. And breadcrumbs. You need breadcrumbs. Beautiful. We're going to throw this in the oven. Sorry. We're going to throw this in the oven. It'll be ready in half an hour. Nice. Okay. See you soon. Right out of the oven. Beautiful. Okay. Mac and cheese. Dinner is ready. Still sizzling. Mac and cheese is ready. Fresh out of the oven. You can still hear it sizzling. Okay, another quick dinner ready. By the way, that was in the oven at 375 for about half an hour. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time. Much love.